wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids, from A to Z, from east to west, I'm Olivia, and welcome back to Dream Again! Yay, yay, yay! Shh, yeah, yeah, yeah! Shh, the crowd goes wild! It's amazing! It's incredible! It's incredible! Olivia is back, and she's back, she's ready to give us another story time! Yeah. Was that really exciting? That's a really exciting introduction to the story. Yep. I think that all storytellers should get a round of applause. Because we have musicians and actors and all sorts of people who get applause and stuff for their art. But storytellers don't get applause for their art. So I think that we should applaud them. So Thank you. Awesome. That makes me really happy because books are really, really fun and really cool, and they're hard to write. Yeah, I mean, I guess I haven't written one, but it seems like they would be, right? Yeah. Well, guess what? I'm going to read a special book for you guys today. I'm going to read a book all about grandmas. Yeah. Do some of you guys out there have grandmas? Yeah. That's nice. I really like my grandma. She's really, really fun. All right, so let's read the story. Grandma like yours. Okay. A ladybug, ran up a tree. She ran so high that she couldn't even see her house down below, and no one would know where ladybug would go. Oh, the baby ladybug went so far and wide. She didn't mean to, but she accidentally did hide. Who is she hiding from? How do you hide accidentally? Should we find out? Okay, let's find out. This ladybug hid by climbing a leaf. She ran and she ran, far, far away. She was exploring all day and all night until she realized she'd slipped out of sight. Oh, I see. The ladybug got carried away playing, and then the ladybug just disappeared. And the ladybug's mom and the ladybug's dad and the ladybug's grandma and grandpa probably didn't know where the ladybug was, and the ladybug was lost. And how do you find a ladybug? They're so little. Oh no. I hope the ladybug's okay. Do you guys think the ladybug will be okay? Yeah? Okay, should I keep reading? Okay, I'm going to keep reading. The ladybug hid beneath the stars. She didn't know what to do. She looked so far away. Oh, the ladybug is so far away from home. Yeah. Back at her house, her mother did shout, Ladybug, please come out. Oh, where is my baby of mine? She's gone. I just cannot find. Aw, the mommy can't find her baby. Mommy didn't know just what to do, but Grandma was there. She was there too. Aw, this is probably where the grandma comes in. Grandma came out. Please don't shout. What is wrong? Are you yelling about? What is wrong? What are you yelling about? The mother looked up, a tear in her eye. My baby has gone. She didn't say goodbye. Aw, Mom doesn't know where the baby is. Grandma came over. She said, Don't be sad. We'll find your baby. It's not that bad. Aw, Grandma's gonna help. And you know what? The grandma is actually the mom's mom, because that's how it works, right? Like my mom's mom is my grandma, but my grandma is my mom's mom. Whoa, and that's how we're all related. I will help you, baby, baby of mine. I have found you many, many a time. So Grandma put her kerchief on and went out of the house. She went down the grass, quiet as a mouse. Meanwhile, in the woods, little baby ladybug was sad. Why, oh why, did I leave? That was bad. Aw. The baby was so cold, out there all alone. She didn't know which way to go to find home. That's so hard, when you're out and maybe you get lost and you don't know what to do, and you don't know where your mom is or your grandma is or anyone is, and what are you supposed to do? You have to just wait. Maybe you can ask someone for help if you know like the phone number to call for your mom or dad, but that's scary. Yeah. But I think it's probably going to be okay. Grandma kept walking. She walked oh so far. She knew that the ladybug had gotten quite far. I wonder how she knew. She's got to figure it out somehow, huh? Grandma was smart. She looked at the prints. She followed the footsteps, step after step, into the mist. Oh, Grandma's following the ladybug's footsteps. Grandma knew too she could fly up above, and find her baby with her love. Oh, the love is going to guide them together. That's amazing. So Grandma lifted up with her ladybug wings, flying over all the ladybug land things. She searched and she searched for baby bug dear. She called out, "Where are you? I don't see you here." Yeah, it's hard to find a little ladybug. But then from below, she heard a sweet sound. She fluttered her wings and her feet touched the ground. Aw, she landed. Maybe she knows where the ladybug is, huh? I don't know. The sweet sound she heard was her grandbaby's cries. Her grandbaby's cries had gone up to the skies. Aw, that's nice. Grandma Ladybug came down from the sky. She fluttered, she fluttered, she flew by and by. There on the ground, the sweet sound she heard was her baby ladybird. Aw, did you guys know that? That's another word for ladybug. Ladybird. Yeah, that's cute. I bet it's the mom's or the grandma's nickname for the ladybug, huh? Yeah. Grandma came running. She ran through the trees. She ran toward the grandbaby, and she found her with ease. Ah! When she found the grandbaby, she said, "Oh, my dear, what are you doing all the way out here?" Ah! Grandbaby jumped up. She ran and she cried, "Grandma, Grandma, I was lost. I was tired. I didn't know what to do." Grandma said, "Baby, don't worry at all. I will come, I will find you whenever you call." Aw. Then Grandma took baby, and home they did fly. They flew through the night, they flew through the sky. Once back to the house, the mother came out. But this time she didn't worry. She didn't have to shout. She ran to her baby and threw her arms right around her. She hugged her and hugged her. Aww. It was Ladybug's love. Aww. Grandma found the baby ladybug by her love. Isn't that nice? Yeah, it's really nice. I like ladybugs. Or ladybirds. They're really cute. Yeah. Did you guys enjoy that story? I hope you did. I really enjoyed that story. I thought it was a lot of fun. It was cool to see how the trees were and how the bugs would fly, and it was neat to see that ladybugs get nervous about their kids too, and that little ladybug babies wander away. Yeah. We have to be careful, huh? Because it gets scary if we're all alone. Yeah. I really like this story. Thank you guys for coming. Thank you guys for coming again to Dream Again. Yeah. I'm glad you made it. Now I think I'm going to go to sleep because I'm all tired from that long journey with the ladybugs. I hope you had a good time. Bye. 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 It's so nice that everybody remembers to clap for the authors. That's so nice. Yay. I'm glad. Good job. You guys are nice.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and like us and comment, okay? Thanks!